In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a VPN on BlueStacks. Using a VPN with BlueStacks can enhance your online privacy and security. It allows you to mask your IP address and access region-restricted content. There are two main methods to achieve this. You can either install a VPN app directly within BlueStacks or use a VPN installed on your Windows PC. Each method serves different purposes, so let's explore them step by step. First, open BlueStacks 5. You'll see the familiar interface of the Android emulator. This is where you can run Android apps and games on your PC. Make sure you're using the latest version of BlueStacks to ensure compatibility with the VPN apps. If you encounter any issues, updating BlueStacks might resolve them. Once you have it open, you're ready to proceed with the next step. Next, navigate to the System Apps folder and locate the Google Play Store. You can find it easily since it's often displayed prominently among the system apps. Click on the Play Store icon to open it. This is an essential step because the Play Store is where you'll download your preferred VPN app. Remember, using a VPN app from a trusted provider is crucial for maintaining your privacy and security while online. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. This is necessary to access the full features of the Play Store. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. This process is straightforward, and having a Google account opens up many possibilities within BlueStacks. Once you're signed in, you can proceed to search for the VPN app you want to install. Now search for the VPN app of your choice. Popular options include ProtonVPN, NordVPN, and ExpressVPN. Type the name of the VPN into the search bar and hit enter. A list of VPN apps will appear. Choosing a reputable VPN ensures you get reliable service and strong security features. Once you find the app, click on it to view more details. Click Install to begin downloading the VPN app. This step may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. You'll see a progress bar indicating the download status. Once the app is installed, it will appear in your apps list within BlueStacks. This makes it easy to access and manage your VPN directly within the emulator. After installation, you are ready to open the VPN app. Open the VPN app you just installed. You will likely need to sign into your VPN account if required. This step is essential for accessing the VPN services. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one on the provider's website first. Once signed in, you'll be able to select a server location. Choose a server location from the list provided by the VPN app. This selection determines your virtual location and can affect the content you can access. For example, connecting to a server in a different country may allow you to view region-locked content. After selecting your server, tap Connect to establish the VPN connection. When prompted by Android to create a VPN connection, tap OK. This permission allows the app to set up the VPN on your device. Once connected, all apps running inside BlueStacks will use this VPN connection. You're now protected while using your apps and games in BlueStacks. This step is vital for maintaining your online privacy. Now, let's discuss the second method. If you prefer to use a VPN on your Windows PC, open your VPN application on Windows. This method allows your entire PC's network traffic, including BlueStacks, to go through the VPN. It's a great option if you want an all-encompassing VPN solution for your online activities. Connect to your preferred VPN server within the application. This step will secure your connection for all applications running on your PC. After the connection is established, you're ready to launch BlueStacks. Open BlueStacks and access the app or game you wish to use. Using a VPN is a smart choice for enhancing your security and accessing content. Whether you choose to install a VPN app directly inside BlueStacks or use a VPN on your Windows PC, both methods offer valuable protection.